In this video, I am logged into the BrightSpace site for my Math 103 course on an iPad instead of a computer. And the bad behavior that this iPad is going to demonstrate is exactly the same on iPhones and on Android phones and on tablets. And so that's what I'm trying to illustrate. I'm going to look at the same assignments that I looked at on the previous video where I was accessing them through a computer. Again, I am on an iPad. So when I go to the daily assignments folder, things load fine, and I go down to that same prepare for class folder. And this time when I try and access the graphic interactive tool for Let's Make a Deal, I get a spinning wheel. And you'll notice that it did change from the standard spinning wheel to this new spinning wheel. And it will stay spinning for as long as I care to leave it spinning. Quite frankly, I have left it spinning as long as 5 and 10 minutes, and it never resolves to the actual tool. So that's what the interactive tools do. Now, if I go backwards, if I want to try and look at the Wiley Plus homework assignment that is labeled as Reading Quiz 1, if I click on Reading Quiz 1, this is what happens. It comes back to my buff state graphical display of all of my courses in BrightSpace with the name of that assignment up there. And if I click on that, I don't get anything. In other words, I have nothing that tells me how to get to the Wiley Plus site. And when I've talked to Wiley Plus, they first of all told me to use Chrome. I am using Chrome on this, and that did not do any good. Wiley seems to think that the problem is on how BrightSpace is set up, and y'all have told me that the problem is on the Wiley Plus end. Again, these assignments load fine on a computer, but fact of the matter is a lot of our students want to do all of their coursework, or as much of their coursework as possible, on a mobile device such as an iPad or an iPhone or an Android phone or an Android tablet or a PC tablet, and it simply is not working. Hopefully these videos will give you something to look at for trying to figure out what's going on. Thank you very much.